back. I'm going to be showing you guys a new viral hair brush that went just all over TikTok, but it is the Amika Blowout Bay Thermal Brush. I'm so excited that I got my hands on it because it was sold out everywhere. Before we start, I want to just start off with thank you Merit Beauty for sending me their newest product. I am so shocked, but this is the Merit Shade Slick Jelly. And what it is, it's actually for your lips. So I was pretty surprised, but look how gorgeous this color is. Like, this is the color Mapleton and perfect for spring, so I'm gonna definitely try it on. It has like this little glossy kind of texture. I love how it like applies on. Definitely not sticky. It feels like a lip oil, surprisingly. And I love how natural it gives me like that glow to my face. So the pros about this is it's supposed to add a hint of color to your lips. It's supposed to be very cushiony formula, which it definitely is. It's supposed to moisturize, and it is actually plant-derived squalane. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I've definitely seen that in serums, which definitely is supposed to help hydrate and plump. So I'm quite shocked. But it definitely has quinoa seed oil, which helps restore barrier function, and it comes in 4 different shades. So I got the Mapleton shade, but it definitely keeps your lips smooth. Close up. I'm not into the type of like sticky lip glosses, but a lot of brands have been coming out with like lip oils, lip tints, and I'm obsessed right now. I'm in this lip tint era. But definitely, if you guys want to check them out, I will have them linked below. Use my link below to check out. They're always having deals, and I believe if you make a first purchase, then it comes with like a little bag. Don't quote me on that, but definitely go check them out. It is vegan friendly and cruelty friendly, which is a must for all my skincares. And I hope you guys enjoy my next clip of trying the Amika brush. Okay, so this is it. I'm so excited. I already tried it out, but I haven't perfected it yet, so I'm gonna do it with you guys. So right now it's heating on. I believe this is, I wanna say 1.5 curler. It has 2 modes. So on or off, on button, and then there's a mode called ion. I had to look that up, but that's pretty much to help with any frizz if you do like decide to curl your hair. I haven't dealt with that yet just because I use a lot of hair oil, but I was like, it's pretty cool function. Okay, so I've sectioned off some of my hair just to show you guys, but it doesn't take that long to heat up. It's pretty fast. So what I've been doing is I'll take a section, wrap it, and slowly just like keep pulling. Definitely want to comb your hair before you do this so it goes smoothly. I'll just sometimes like hold it in there just so like it gets heated. And then just pull it out. And voila, like when I first did this, I was like, what? I was like so amazed, but so fast. I do have thin hair, so I can definitely take like a huge chunk at a time. So that's what technique I've been doing. And then I'll try the technique that other people have been doing. It's pretty much like they'll curl it, but then then they'll try to do it like more of a curl. So I believe they'll like hold it here for a bit, and then when they're ready, they'll like take this and then they'll like unwrap it. Okay, that didn't work as much as I planned, but it definitely gives you more of a curl. So I'll show you guys how I do my bangs. So I will go like that. And then I'll put it in this really big roller while it's still hot. And then I'll cook it up and wait about 15 minutes. Here is the final results. I just took out my roller so it gives out this good whoosh. Miss Ellie would like to say hi. But definitely gives me volume to my hair, and I just like love how flawless and easy it took. Like, it took so fast. And what I do suggest is always definitely brush out your hair. Use a hair oil if you can, because it'll definitely smoothen out like when you're trying to roll it. And definitely, if your hair doesn't like stay like this all day, I would suggest doing like a mousse after you shower, or just lightly hairspray everywhere. But this, I am obsessed and I'm so happy with my purchase. So if you have, thoughts on getting it, definitely, I would say definitely get it.